I have thyroid problem, but my thyroid is overactive, so mine's make me lose weight. Hers makes she gain weight.
Oh, so she have hypo.
Yeah, hers she has the hypo one. Yeah, hers is and then she has that what do you call that? When you stress, it flare up.
Stress. Most of that is stress.
And I said
And you shouldn't be easy either. If you were easy,
I said, don't worry about them liking you.
If you were easy, you would.
About them liking you. I know some special. He always feel like I was hard on him, but
that's all right.
Because I had to.
He's a man today, right?
You know what, man? They don't see that.
He's a man today. Make sure say.
I said, you guys absolutely right, but let me tell you all this. None of y'all can go tell it homeless.
Thank you. And the thing is, how much kids will get raised with have a kind of story about being homeless and all that. They don't have none of that.
Okay. But it's school.
They don't. The thing is, don't even worry about it or go over it. Trust me. Once your conscience is clear, that's all.
But it does bother me sometimes when I hear them talk. It kind of hurt my feelings. And that's why I'm kind of
proud of yourself.
And he was like, let me tell you something. These kids them today, they never gonna see the good that you do for them. When they're gonna see the good that you do for them when you're young. They don't see.
Listen, they ain't that young.
Exactly.
They ain't that young.
Like my pastor, sometimes he said, leave them alone. Think about yourself.
Thank you. Your pastor's right.
He said, I hate to say this. They mean, I don't worry about, I just look at them and I just.
Because let me tell you something. You're not responsible for how they react. You're responsible for you only. Me keep telling people, people think you can't change people. You have to accept people the way they are and be responsible for you and you only. You give your flowers. You go along and buy your flowers every week.
Still treated them as the way she talks to them and stuff like that. I couldn't talk to my kids them like that. But my dear, like rough out.
The thing, no, remember she.